Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to make these very easy crochet headbands. They are beginner friendly but really stylish, and I think it will make a great gift idea for any woman in your life from child to adult. A complete list of material and average sizes can be found in the description box below. So let's get started. We make a foundation chain 1 inch less than the circumference of our head. In my case, I have about 22 inches, so I will size down to 21 inches. With this yarn, I will chain 65. The fit is comfortable, but if you prefer a snug fit, I suggest sizing down a little more. I will finish my chain and I will meet you for the first row. I made my 65 chain and I add 2 more chain because we are going to work with a half double crochet. We are going to half a double crochet in the back side of our chain. This is the front side, this is the back. We are going to work in these little bars that you see here. So we are going to start in the 3rd chain. We skip 1, 2 in the 3rd. We are going to make our half double crochet like so. So remember, when you chain any number of chain you have to add 2 so you can turn your work. We are going to work our half double crochet all this row in the back of our chain. I'm going to finish my half double crochet row and I will meet you there. I'm here at the end. I need just one more stitch. And we completed our first row. For the second row, we're going to chain 2, we turn our work, and we start working half a double crochet, but in the back loop only. See here, we have those little V's here. We're going to work in the back, here, here, here. So we already have the chain 2 is a stitch. We're going to work our half double crochet in the back loop like so. We are going to chain 2 and turn our work and repeat in the back loop for 11 rows. I will finish my 11 rows and I will meet you there. I finished my 11 rows. That's what we have so far. I secure with a knot my end. Make sure you leave a generous piece of yarn so we can sew our layers together. Now we're going to take the bottom edge and fold it towards the top edge like so. Now take your 2 hands and fold them towards the center like so. Now we're going to line up these 4 sides the best we can like so. Doesn't have to be perfect. in this way. And now we are going to stitch back and forth through all the 4 layers. Make sure you pick up all the 4 layers that you have here, and that's what we're going to do. Back and forth. We're going to stitch them together. We will hide our tail at the end. And you continue in this fashion, back and forth, all through the 4 layers, and I will meet you there when you're done. I'm almost at the end. I need a few more stitches. And at the end, what I like to do is to pass the yarn through this loop and make a knot to make it more secure. Now I'm going to hide my tail. And we can cut the yarn. At this point, we turn our headband right side out, and this is what you should have. I hope you like this video. If it's so, please give me a thumbs up. It will make a huge difference. See you next time. Bye.